ngisathanda ukuthola umbiko la umdlali we-Orlando Pirates uKarim Kimvidi yabo ama-team amakhulu la e-Africa are looking to sign uKarim Kimvidi, are keeping tabs on the guy yabo. The guy plays beautiful football. Nyamazi nonke bafuthu uKarim Kimvidi is one of those players aba-creative kuyikona ku-Orlando Pirates akayitholi i-game time. Njengoba engayitholi i-game time lokhu ngenzeka ku-affect ukuthi ama-team lawa angamphesiwe ukumsayinini, but they are keeping tabs because they know he is a good player yabo. Njengoba iyi-good player nje bafethu. For me, I used to like the guy. Yabo, don't get me wrong. I used to like Ukaram Kimvidi because his playing style is one of the playing styles I like. Yabo, he's like Tito Maswangai. He's like Tito Maswangai, but Tito Maswangai on a bit of a flair. Yabo, inking ayake, the recent games he played for Orlando Pirates, yabo, haven't been good. If you saw his last game, la wathola khona ama-minutes amaningi, we were playing against the Magis. In that game, Karim Kimvidi, I don't know, maybe ushawi pressure, maybe unovalo, I don't know. But uma ephethe ibhola umjida uthambile, like he's weak, akaqinile nje. He's weak wenza ama-fouls angenasidingo, uthola ama-yellow card angenasidingo, and ucost the team. If you saw the last game that we played against the Stade Abidjan, wangena egamini wadlala wacreate ama-fouls. If you saw wefayele Orlando Pirates engcindezini yabo, because laphana sasisu 1-1 yacishe yakora Stade Abidjan ngale Africa kick leya yokugcina ngci sizidlala lapha. So I don't know, maybe mina ngimbona ngenye indlela yabo, maybe ngimbona ngenye indlela, but these African teams are looking to sign yabo Karim Kimvidi bafethu ngenzeka ahambe ku-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates kumele yenze sure ukuthi umfana iyamgcina imnikeze i-game time, imjwayeze ukudlala. Njengoba mhlawumbe imjwayeze ukudlala, mhlawumbe lokho kuzomnikeza i-confidence. Mhlawumbe lokho kuzomnikeza i-confidence noma umfana unovalo ukuthi udlalela Orlando Pirates. But akumelanga ngabe unovalo right now because this is his second season usebajwayela abadlali. Kumele abe usedlala freely yabo, kumele abe useyabajwayela nje abadlali. Angazi, but ungangitshela ama-comments uzizwa kanjani ngalama-team lawa amonitor uKarim Kimvidi. Should Karim Kimvidi leave Orlando Pirates noma kumele ahlale kancane athi ukujwayela abadlali, athi ukujwayela nje Orlando Pirates yabo, khona ezothola i-game time, because we need abadlali abazoshintshisana benotito. Because if you see the situation right now kwi-management, ayifuni ukufaka otito, ayifuni ukufaka osaling, so sebadinga abadlali abazofitha bangene kuleyo role leyo yabo. So ngokubona kwakho wena, do you think uKarim Kimvidi should leave Orlando Pirates noma kumele asale kancane yabo? Ungangitshela lapho kuma-comments.